Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, so we've got a laptop motherboard here, and the issue is that it's completely dead. When the charger is plugged in, the voltage from the charger just drops off instantly. So we decided to inject a low voltage into the V-in line. First, we separated the V-in line from the main components and the DC jack by removing this main resistor. Then we applied around 4 volts to the line that usually carries 19 volts in normal condition. That's when we found a capacitor that was getting super hot. After taking it off, it turned out that the capacitor was shorted and faulty. We replaced it with a good one, and after that we test the motherboard. But it still would not power on. Next, we check the main MOSFET, which controls the voltage from the DC jack to the V-in line. Turns out the MOSFET was also bad. It was shorted between the D and S pins. We swapped it out with a working MOSFET, and after testing again, the motherboard powered up perfectly. Hope this helps. If you run into any issues with your laptop motherboard, feel free to drop a comment below. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.